Look, here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. Throwing more money at ads is one of the dumbest moves you can make if your conversion rate is garbage. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire you haven't learned how to control. You see your traffic numbers, get a rush, and then you stare helplessly when sales don't follow. That frustration, it's real. It cuts deep when your funnel leaks like a sieve, and every dollar spent on ads feels like a punch to the gut with zero payoff. You're tired, you want results, and every new campaign that doesn't move the needle chips away at your confidence. But here's what they don't want you to know. Before spending another dime on ads, you need to fix the damn conversion rate. This isn't about tweaks like changing button colors or rewriting a headline that might or might not work. It's about understanding exactly what your audience needs, what's stopping them from clicking buy, and then removing every single obstacle standing between them and the sale. You have to get aggressive with data. Deep dive into user behavior until you see the patterns hiding the leaks. Heat maps, session replays, exit intent surveys. Use whatever tools you have, but do not guess. Guessing kills growth faster than bad ads. You want conversions soaring? Stop guessing and start mastering the science behind decisions. The power of a higher conversion rate isn't just about selling more. It's about climbing out of the rat race of ever-rising ad budgets. When your funnel clicks, it means you get more from every visitor. Your growth becomes sustainable and scalable without throwing cash into a money pit. Flip the switch on your whole approach. Cut the noise. Be brutal about your user journey and ask yourself, where am I losing them? What's breaking their trust? Why aren't they saying yes right now? Then fix those spots so well they have no choice but to convert. One crazy but overlooked move: radical simplification. Strip down your landing pages. Remove everything except what drives action. Every extra word, every distracting image, every needless field in your sign-up form, kill it. People don't give a damn about your story. They care about how fast and easy you solve their problem. If you're making them think, you're losing. Optimize for speed, clarity, and simplicity over flash. Another fix: nail your value proposition so hard it hits them emotionally and intellectually in the same second. Stop acting like your product is a commodity. Communicate why this exact thing changes their life, not just another option on the market. Use proof, testimonials that feel real, numbers that matter, and hard results. Anything that shuts down the debate in their heads before they even finish the sentence. Ignore this, and you'll stay stuck throwing money at ads hoping for a miracle. That miracle is never coming if you don't master conversion first. Get obsessed with improving your funnel. Run rigorous split tests on offers, CTAs, even microcopy on buttons, then double down ruthlessly on what works. Every percentage point gain in your conversion rate multiples your growth faster than spending thousands on cheap clicks that go nowhere. This is your edge, your unfair advantage. Ads bring noise, but conversion is the signal. Focus on making every single visitor count. Because when your conversion rate rockets, ads aren't a gamble. They become a weapon. This isn't theory. It's the way the smartest founders and investors build real, lasting growth while everyone else burns through cash-chasing hype. So here's the order. Stop guessing. Start measuring. Cut your funnel to its bare essentials. Get your user journey to a point where it's impossible for visitors not to convert. Hunt down every hesitation and crush it. Prove your value in seconds, not words. Test relentlessly and bet everything on what works. When done right, your ads become an amplifier, not a desperate bet. If frustration is your daily companion, this is how you flip the script. Don't waste another cent buying traffic that leaks. Fix your conversion first and watch your growth explode faster than you imagined. Get control. Own your funnel. Turn your visitors into buyers. That's how you win. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.